Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot your Google Ads problem. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to simply type in the Chrome option from here, and once you're in the Chrome option, in the search bar you have to simply type in the Google Ads, and once you go for the Google Ads you have to choose the first website from here, and it will simply take you to this page like this. From here you can choose the sign in or the start now as well. So if you have already an account, then simply click on the sign in, and after that it will simply take you to this page like this. So from here you have to just simply click on the tools icon from here, and just simply click on the tools icon perfectly, and then what you need to do is it will simply take you to the tools page like this. So from here you can see that there are lots of options in the left hand side. Just simply click on the troubleshooting option from here, and once you click on the troubleshooting you have to just simply click on the policy manager, the first option, and after you click on the policy manager it will simply take you to this page. Then here you can see the campaign status is all but removed, ad group status is all but removed, and all the status are showing here. And here you can see that the disapproving is also showing here, and here you can see the problem is already showing there, the destination not crawlable, and also the other option is showing. You can also appeal that by click on here, and you can also go for the view ads as well. So here you can just simply click on the simply solve the problem by seeing the problem here. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.